Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about some interesting things. Means we are going to discuss about three functions which are basically, you can say, that is the this function purpose is to interact with the user. Means we will discuss about alert, confirm and prompt. So we'll know what are these. Okay, suppose if you want to print some things in a pop-up or in like a pop-up, so how can you do this? Simply you can write here alert and here simply write hello developer. Okay, so I just write a hello developer. So just refresh this, you are getting hello developer. So if you want to get the output, or if you want to send the message to the end user like this, means just see the message and click on OK. That's it. This is the purpose of alert. Okay, so you can send some message to the user. This actually predefined function basically is used to interact with the end user. Means if you want to send some message, if you want to send some data to the end user or those who are actually browsing your sites. Okay, so simply write hello developer and the user has nothing to do here. So just simply they can read the message and OK. Okay, so these are the basic things. So the next thing is confirm. Okay, so what is actually confirm? Confirm we can do, actually this will show some message to the end user, right? And there is an option to make this confirm. Means are you sure or are you not sure? Means suppose you want to get some confirmation from the user, means are you want to do some things or not? Means suppose in a in your application in the delete section, so before direct delete you want to get the confirmation that are you sure you want to delete. If the user says yes, then you will do something, and if the user says no, then you will do something. Means here write are you sure to delete. So just go to the browser and check. So are you sure to delete? So you can have a two option, cancel or OK. So if OK, it will delete. Otherwise, if not OK, then you can cancel. Okay, so how you can do, how you can check whether the user is OK or cancel? So here this actually written as a boolean type of data. Let's take these things into a variable. Let confirm. Okay, so this is my variable, let's confirm. So here if confirm, then we can do something, document dot write, or if not, then also we can do the logic something. Means here write two things, if confirm then delete it, or if not confirm you can write not deleted, not deleted, as simple as. Okay, so simply if you just write here in this way, so OK means deleted, and if not then not deleted. Okay, so using this section we are getting the confirmation from the user. We can print into the alert also. So suppose if I just going to send in this way alert, means when the delete is done, then it will message, okay, in like this. So simply are you sure want to delete? Okay, then delete it. These are the also using alert. Okay, so if not deleted, sorry, again I deleted. So if cancel, then not deleted. So we can display in the alert section also. Alert section purpose is to only display the message, only display the message into the pop-up. And confirm, it have two things, that is the you have an option to check whether it is confirm or not. So OK and cancel, and based on that we can do our logic. So these are the confirm section. The next thing is another is the important section. This is the prompt section. Prompt means not only the message, with the message we'll get a text field, and inside the text field we can add something into that. and after that we can submit or deny whatever we want. So how can do this? So simply write prompt, and I want to ask what is your age, or enter your age. Okay, and let's do some things, or let's refresh. So enter your age. So message is printing. Also you have an option. So I can send suppose 40 and click on OK. And if you don't want to do anything, you can simply cancel it. But the thing is, I entered here 45 and OK. So how the value will be used? So simply here I can use a variable to store the prompt data. So here simply write data equal to some things, means data equal to this section. So we are storing this prompt output into here, and we can print this. So simply the same way, if I just use these things, so instead of that we simply just write confirm here, so that we can access this logic also. So enter your age. So here you can write document dot write your age is what we actually getting is the confirm, and if you not provide your age, then age not provided. Okay, and let's refresh. So what is the problem? Sorry, we need to use the concatenation here. Okay, so here enter your age. Suppose I am printing that is 42, I am providing 42. So okay, your age is 42, and if you not provide anything, then age not provided. Great. So in this way we can access with the prompt also. Another things, suppose if I want to print the by default age is 25. So how you can do this? So simply just provide the default value here. So I want to get the default value is 25. So simply just refresh this. So by default 25 is showing, it's 25, and if you want to change, you can change. Okay, and if you want to remove that things and click on OK, then also we can get the age not provided. So all are okay, right? So now you can understand what is the alert, confirm and prompt section. These are the very useful things you can understand when you're going to create any application. Every time you need these type of things in your application. So hope you can understand, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.